So what's up guys, welcome to AGD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding the launch date of the iPhone SE2 or of the iPhone 9 in India, and also what is going to be the expected pricing of this device. So I've already made a video on the pricing of the iPhone SE2 or of the iPhone 9 in India, but in today's video I'm going to be giving a lot of emphasis on the launch date. Okay, when is this iPhone going to be launched globally and when this phone is expected to come in Indian market? So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the number one thing which I want to discuss in today's video is the overall design. Well, this iPhone 9 is going to be an internal upgrade. You are going to be getting the latest internal components like the Apple's A13 Bionic chip in this smartphone, and overall this is major internal upgrade, and externally it is expected that the Apple logo is going to be shifting in the exact center of the iPhone, while the whole iPhone is going to be made up of glass. Yes guys, there is going to be wireless charging enabled with this iPhone, and basically I have made a complete video regarding the design of the iPhone SE2, but in today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding the India launch and overall the global launch of this iPhone and the pricing. So first of all, let me discuss regarding the launch pattern. Well guys, we all knew that the mass production of this iPhone was expected to be in January, but later on it got delayed, and now it is expected that the mass production will start in February itself, and we will see the launch in the month of March. And again, in the month of March, you are going to be seeing the launch in the later half. From 15th of March to 30th of March, we are going to be seeing the unveil or Apple's event regarding this. In this event, Apple will introduce the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 and the iPad Pro. So guys, as this iPhone will be launched in the later part of March itself, so the sales of this iPhone will start from 1st of April. Okay, in the first week of April itself, Apple's iPhone 9 will go on sale, and guys, it will be available in United States first on its sales, and later on in the month of last week of April or the first week of May, you're going to be seeing this iPhone in India. Okay, this iPhone will very highly be launched in India in the last week of April, and let me tell you, like in the last week of April, you are going to be seeing like the OnePlus 8 Lite, the OnePlus 8, and overall all of the budget friendly models. So it only makes a lot of sense that iPhone SE will enter into that kind of time being where there will be many options for the mid-range segment, and also the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 is going to be great at its performance. Okay, this might not ship with the latest display and overall, but it makes a lot of sense. You're getting the latest SoC from Apple, which is like comparatively to Snapdragon 865 processor. So definitely this is a fast chip, and overall let the design be little outdated, but the overall smartphone will provide you great performance. So guys, now the question comes is that of the pricing. Okay, Apple really needs to put a great pricing on this iPhone because it is a mid-cycle refresh. Okay, this is a refresh by Apple, and hence the price will be very low. But again, I have already discussed that if Apple will put the pricing below 30,000 rupees, that definitely makes a lot of sense. But guys, according to the current reports and analytics, it is expected that the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 will start a pricing of 39,999 rupees. Yes guys, for the pricing of 40,000 Indian rupees, this iPhone is going to be publicly released, and later on the pricing is going to be gradually decreasing. There are two factors. First of all, if the sales of the iPhone SE2 are promising in India, then Apple itself will shift the production and the entire R&D of the iPhone SE2 in India itself. Okay, in the Hyderabad plant itself, they will start the manufacturing of this iPhone, and later we will see a drastic price cut. Again, like the iPhone XR was launched at the price segment of 76,000 Indian rupees, and now it is available for 40,000. So there is definitely a big price cut, and hence this iPhone SE2 will also have a big price cut. And so overall, what I want to discuss in today's video is that this iPhone will be launched in India in the last week of April or the first week of May, and with the price tag of 40,000 on the launch. Later on, after 1 month, the price will reduce to 35,000, and later it will be reduced even to 26,000. So overall, this is everything which I want to discuss in today's video, and let's see what Apple has in store for us. So guys, this is everything which I wanted to discuss in today's video, and if there are going to be any other updates regarding the iPhone 9, I'm definitely going to be covering it up. So if you have liked today's video, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.